Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients, especially very fresh eggs, which are key for a firm, white, and runny yolk. You'll need a large pot filled with about 4 inches of water. Also, have 1 tablespoon of white vinegar ready. This simple addition helps the egg whites coagulate quickly, ensuring a beautifully compact poached egg every time. Let's get started with the preparation. Now let's prepare the water and eggs. Bring your pot of water to a gentle simmer. You should see small bubbles but no vigorous boiling. While the water heats, crack each egg into its own small ramekin or bowl. This crucial step allows you to gently slide the egg into the water, preventing the yolk from breaking and ensuring a perfectly round shape. Prepare all your eggs before you begin poaching. It's time for the main event, poaching. Carefully lower each egg from its ramekin into the simmering water. Avoid dropping them from too high, as this can cause splashing and break the yolk. Cook the eggs for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a soft, runny yolk, or a little longer if you prefer a firmer consistency. Once cooked, use a slotted spoon to gently lift each egg from the water. Finally, let's get those beautiful poached eggs ready for serving. After removing them from the water, you can briefly place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess moisture. This ensures your toast or dish won't get soggy. Season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Serve your perfectly poached eggs immediately on your favorite breakfast items, like crispy toast or creamy avocado. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.